Hey scholars, welcome back to our writing lessons. Today is day 2 of contractions. So yesterday we learned what contractions are and we learned how to make contractions. Today we're going to actually break contractions down. So this way when we see contractions in writing, we can identify what they are and we can know what the two words are that make up that contraction. We talked yesterday about how contractions can be used in informal writing. So maybe it's writing a letter to your friend, or maybe it's writing a quick paragraph about your day. But we do not always use contractions in formal writing. So if we're writing a big paper or an important essay, we don't want to use contractions. We want to use the formal language. So breaking down those contractions. For example, instead of using couldn't, we're going to use the words could not. That's going to make our writing just seem a little bit more formal, a little bit nicer. So today, we're going to take a look at some sentences that have contractions in them, and we're going to rewrite those sentences and we're going to break those contractions apart. We're going to break them down. Let's just review some of our common contractions quickly. We used these ones yesterday and we saw them in the Brain Pop video. You can pause the screen here if you want to take a longer look at these contractions, but we can reference this. That means we can go back to this list as we go through our work for today. So today you're going to need a composition book. You're going to need a pencil and a colored pen or pencil. That way you can follow along with me as we go through these sentences. Your directions for today are to break apart the contractions in the following sentences. We're going to circle or highlight the contraction, and we're going to rewrite the sentence with the original words. So we're going to make these sentences formal. The first sentence, get ready to write it down in your composition book, says, "I can't believe she said that." Where is our contraction in this sentence here? Our contraction is can't. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight that word can't. Now, what does can't stand for? What is can't a contraction for? Which two words make up the contraction can't? We can look back up here. Ooh, Miss Metz actually doesn't have it in our cheat sheet. This is interesting. That means we need my emails to go away. There we go. That means that we might need to figure this one out. Well, using the rule that we learned yesterday, we know that usually one letter was taken out and an apostrophe was put in its place. So what might have been taken out here? What about an O? Do you see what this could have been? Can't is actually a contraction for can not. So we're going to now rewrite the sentence with the words can not. I can not believe she said that. Great job breaking apart that contraction. We're going to move to our next example. Write the sentence down in your composition book and get ready to circle or highlight the contraction. You wouldn't believe what I just saw. Well, we see an apostrophe right here in the word wouldn't, which gives it away. It's a hint for us. We know that this is a contraction. Wouldn't is our contraction. Now we can look back up at our list and we can see if we see it on the list. Do we see wouldn't here? We don't, but just like with cannot, just like with can't, we can use the rules we learned yesterday about contractions to help us figure out what this contraction stands for. So let's write out wouldn't. If I take this apostrophe away, what letter could be added there that would make sense? Yeah, we can put an O here. And if we separate these two words, we have would not. Would not wouldn't. We can rewrite our sentence now with you would not believe what I just saw. Great. Let's move to our next sentence. She isn't going to like that. Where's our contraction? Highlight or circle the contraction. Isn't. We could look back up at our cheat sheet, but I think I know this one already because we've done some practice already with the rules of contractions. And I think I can already identify what the words are that are used in the contraction isn't. Try this one on your own, and when you're ready, you can press play on the video to see if you got it correct. Yep, so we should have taken out the apostrophe and added an O and found that this contraction isn't actually stands for is not. She is not going to like that. Great. Next one. My dad didn't like Mom's new recipe. Again, this one follows that same rule. Didn't, you should be able to identify what the words are here. When you're ready to check your work, you can press play on the video again. My dad did not like Mom's new recipe. Okay, next one. We're going to get a little trickier here. He's tall and skinny. Well, it says he's tall and skinny, but when we check back up at our cheat sheet up here, I see he's twice. I see he's, he is, and I see he's, he has. That means we need to use our context clues. We need to read around that word to figure out which one would make more sense. I'm going to try writing both out. I'm going to try he has, and I'm going to try he is. I'm going to read both to see if it fits with the rest of the sentence. He has tall and skinny. He is tall and skinny. Which one of those made sense? Yeah, he is correct. Even though the contraction he's can be used for he is or he has, in this sentence, I know that he's is referring to he is. He is tall and skinny. Let's try that again with this sentence. It's been a great day. It's is our contraction. What do you think it's is standing for in this sentence? If we check back up here, we have it's twice, just like he's. It is or it has. Let's try both and see which one is a better fit for our sentence. It has been a great day. It has been a great day. Which one made sense? Yes, it has is correct here. If we did not have been in the sentence, it would be it is a great day. But because we have been, this is actually it has. It has been a great day. Look at our next sentence here. It also has the contraction it's. Well, we just learned that it's can either be it is or it has. So let's try both. It is, it has. Try saying these on your own, out loud, with the whole sentence, and figure out which is the best choice. Which one fits with the sentence? Yes, I hope that you got it is, because it is starting to get dark outside. Not it has starting, but it is starting to get dark outside. Isn't that so interesting that the same contraction was used in these sentences, but the contraction actually stood for something different? It has and it is. That's why it's important to pay super close attention and read carefully and make sure that you're also writing carefully. That's all that we have today. Your independent work is going to have the same directions as our work from today. You're going to be breaking apart the sentences, breaking apart the contractions in the sentences and rewriting the sentences with the new broken apart contraction, just like we did here. If you have any questions, reach out to me or your teacher, and you can let us know. This is our last writing video for the week. On Friday, remember, it is review day, so you'll be catching up on everything that we've done all week. And I will see you all again on Monday. Bye, everyone. Have a great weekend.